Ready? Here you go. Go get it. Good girl. Bring it here. Good girl.
Hey, can I throw it now?
Yep, you throw it. Throw it. Throw it good. Tell her to go get it. Good girl.
Come here. Good job.
Bend down and pick it up. There she is. She's giving it to you. Okay, now throw it. Throw it far. She'll bring it back to you. Oh, she's bringing it back to me this time. Okay, ready?
Get it.
Good girl.
Give it to me.
Oh, she's going to bring it back. Now she's bringing it back to me.
Come here. Give it to me.
Oh, she'll give it to you.
Come here.
Come here, Violet.
Here, Violet.
Yeah, girl.
Violet. Can I?
Let me have it. Okay, you throw it. Throw it.
No. Violet, come here. Give it to me.
She's used to bringing it back to me.
Look it.
Here we go. One more time. Go get it. There it is. Good girl.
Give it to me. To me. Give it to me.
There you go.
Violet, give it to me.
Tell her to sit.
Sit, sit, sit.
Now make her sit with the
Sit.
toy. Tell her to sit.
Sit. Sit. Violet, sit.
You have to be more.
Violet, sit. Sit. Sit, boy. Sit, boy.
You gotta tell her to sit.
Sit. Sit.
Apparently she doesn't want to sit for you. She wants you to throw the toy. Throw it one more time for her.
Go
Go
get
get it. Good girl. All right. Good girl. You know how to sit. Sit.
Sit.
Sit.
Sit. Sit.
She's got better things to do.
Come. Hey.
Throw it for her so she goes and gets it. Throw it. There she goes.
I know it's slobbery.
Last time.
Why is it slobbery?
It's slobbery because she's been playing fetch.